everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to hard reset Navien Tankless water heater, system restart and factory reset guide. Method 1. Power cycle reset recommended. Step 1. Turn off the water heater using the power button. Step 2. Switch off the dedicated circuit breaker that supplies power to the unit. Step 3. Wait 3 to 5 minutes to allow the control board to fully discharge. Step 4. Turn the circuit breaker back on. Step 5. Press the power button to restart the heater. Step 6. Wait for the startup sequence to complete. Step 7. Open a hot water faucet and check whether hot water is restored. Method 2. Reset using the control panel. Step 1. Locate the reset button or the back or return arrow button on the control panel. Step 2. Press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 3. Release the button when the display restarts or shows a reset message. Step 4. Allow the unit to initialize completely. Factory reset advanced. Step 1. Press and hold the amp and back arrow buttons together for about 5 seconds. Step 2. Open the installer menu. Step 3. Navigate to factory reset. Step 4. Enter the installer code if requested. Step 5. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to finish. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.